Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Hagi kanta min stem bamta kasni ka jingplu ding kalajya ka boys hostel jong school sarkar residential school papi krong hapo ka district Shi Yomi ha ka baki life sangut ki khna school kilasha thap hapo. Haba kading kanang kiu state ki bor school kinong shongshnong ki bamarjan kila Pyrshang ban pelat no yaki kena baragaju kapor kila pentip ru ka army post ka badan marjan da ka basngothu ya ka jing e ki sipai ka Indian army ringkat barka kinhun ai jing sumar kila mare no sha ka jaka da ka jing trei kloi bat shirham jongki lala bante lakam ni kading pen im yaki babun bat ai jing sumar ning kong yaki balam minsau sha ban pha no yaki sha general hospital alu Barnyo jing sumar ke bapura. Henry Snowsi ban kedo ba we ukna school ulaklat no namar ke jing mensau ke bakrau ke Indian Army ke ai ke jing snowlem bakar pangsha ke jing ba yingmen jong ubam dan shu. Ka jing kentiu ba ke jing trai shitam ke bakloi jong ke Indian Army ke pen ishai ke jing ket kli jongka ban sumar bat ban pet ngori ke jing im bat ke bha ke miat jong ki pat ba ha ki tahan kapun.
Hello Meghalaya turns
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello